Hi everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today's video, we're going to talk about the Walmart Business Plus membership. There's a special promotion going on right now on how you can get the core membership with Walmart for your business and get it absolutely free for the entire year. We're going to share with you how to check with American Express. They're offering this promotion till the end of January of 2025 of this year. So we're going to share with you in this video, number one, how to check and see if you have this offer available to you by your American Express. You have to have an American Express business credit card in order to be offered this from American Express to get the statement credit. And then we're going to share with you how to actually sign up for the Walmart Business Plus core membership and activate this statement credit so you get your membership for an entire year for free. So let's get started. What I want to first tell you about is the Walmart Business Plus membership. If you're not familiar with it, you can go to this website right here, and you'll see right here on the website, here's, if you go to business.walmart.com/plus, this gives you a little video overview on the perks of the membership. It's going to share with you the different types of yearly plans they have for business owners. And obviously, I don't need to go into obviously what you can buy at Walmart. There's so many different products there, from electronics to home goods to just day-to-day supplies. And if you're buying things in bulk, this is a great membership for you, because in the core membership, they have a free one, but on the core, you can get obviously low prices, and you get free shipping, which is huge, and free delivery from the store if your order is $35 or more. So those are some really great perks. Plus they have, you can earn 2% Walmart business rewards on your orders over $250. So there's rewards, there's free shipping, there's all these benefits to having the core membership, which is $98 a year. So you could go to this website if you want to look at it and see all the benefits. And I'll share with you later on in this presentation how to actually sign up. It's free to sign up to get the free one, but how you get that statement credit. So don't do that yet. But this is the Walmart Business Plus membership, and specifically for this video, we're talking about how to get that core membership, which is $98 a year, for free via a statement credit from American Express. So this is a promotion. Now, what do you do? How do you find out if American Express is offering this to you as a business owner? Obviously, number one, you have to have an American Express business credit card. Now, you may have multiple cards, so I'm going to share with you how to check, and you can decide which card you want to use to get this promo. So you're going to go to americanexpress.com. You're going to log into your credit card account with American Express. Now, this promotion, unfortunately, doesn't apply to American Express charge cards. Okay, this is just American Express business credit cards, and these are American Express issued business credit cards. And remember, there's different types of Amex cards. You can have an American Express card that has the Amex logo on it. It just accepts it via, that's the payment gateway, but this has to be an American Express issued business credit card. Okay, so when you log into your American Express card account here, you'll see there's Amex offers in your specific credit card. With this account, we logged into our business blue card with American Express, and you'll see where there's a search tab. Rather than go through all the promotions, they have hundreds of them going on where you could take advantage of them. All you need to do is you type in this search box right here, Walmart, which is what you do to find it. And if it pops up, that means Amex has selected you and to offer this to you. And you'll see right here is if you spend $98 or more, earn a $98 credit. It expires January 31st, 2025. So you'll see that's on the Walmart Business Plus membership. Keep in mind, you have to purchase your Walmart Business Core membership before January 31st for this to apply. Here's a little about the eligibility, how to use it, when to expect the statement credit. But if you want to select it with this particular card, you'll see this is our blue business cash card. Now, we checked this on also our Marriott Bonvoy card with American Express. It had the same offer available. We also checked it with our American Express Lowe's business card, and was also available on those three cards when we checked. So it didn't show up on our American Express Gold Charge card, so that's just so you know, it's only available on business credit cards. So if you want to select this particular card, when you check on your business credit card, you click Add to Card. So you see the promotion here, you want to add it to your card first. You don't want to go to sign up for the membership and use it without adding it. You have to add it to your card. So once you select this tab right here, you've now added this specific promotion to your American Express credit card. So this is the card you're going to use to buy that core membership. So the next step is you're now going to go to Walmart, okay? And I did give you the breakdown of some of the benefits of this Walmart Business Plus core membership. But what you do is you're going to go to that website, which I just shared with you, which is right here. And you're going to click this tab right here on the top, sign up or sign in or sign up for your free Walmart Business Plus account. So you're going to click get started, and that's going to take you right to the screen right here. What we did is we just give you some screenshots right here. You'll see you just put in your information here, create a password, your business email. Now they are going to send you, once you click continue and activate, obviously the next step tells us a little about your business, your organization, your phone number. Once you submit it, they're going to send you an email to confirm your email address. Once you do that, you then can log into your Walmart Business membership. So this is step number 2. 1 and 2 is these pages, then you activate, now you can log in. So once you log into your Walmart Business Plus membership account, this is the free account. You don't have anything available yet. You haven't signed up for the core membership. So what you do, you're going to want to add that American Express card that has the promotion on it. So in the example I share with you, if you selected the offer for your blue card with American Express, you're going to add that card first to your wallet here for your Walmart Business Plus membership. Once you do that, add the card, then you're going to look at the plans here, the Walmart Business plans. And that's going to share with you the core membership or the premium membership. So you're going to select the core membership here, and obviously in this screen your payment method would already be added, your American Express Blue Card. And then you start your paid plan. And this will give you the core membership, all the benefits, and then in 90 days I believe that's when you get the statement credit from American Express. So technically you're getting this membership absolutely free. So this again is good until January 31st, 2025. And what I do encourage you to do is with your American Express cards, always have great offers for you to take advantage of. So be sure to check out those offers. You can always put a search on what company, if you're looking for a promotion, is there a promotion with Walmart, is there a promotion with Sam's, etc. That's how you can do that with that search tab. Now, if you're looking for more business credit cards, or let's say you want to maximize your funding window for a business, you're a startup or your existing business, and you don't have any business credit cards. You're not sure if you're going to qualify for American Express card, or well, let's say you want to raise $100,000 or more in business credit card limits for your company, and you have good personal credit. We have a done for you service. We can acquire those cards for you at 14 to 20 days. This gives you the ability, obviously, to get 0% offers with these cards up to 18 months, depending on what the bank offers. So that's interest-free money on your purchases. We do require you to have at least a 680 FICO score on at least 2 bureaus for pre-qualification. This does not report to your personal credit, so this will help you build your business credit. And at the same time, this is a no-doc program, so you don't have to provide financials, no tax returns. This is a great program for startups or existing businesses. The only thing that's needed when you go through this particular program is driver's license, the EIN letter you have, and your certificate of formation or articles of incorporation. That's it. That's the only docs that are needed. No bank statements. You could be a brand new startup. And the funding's really fast, 14 to 20 days. Another add-on benefit, when you're a client of ours, you also have access to our liquidation service. If you're ever trying to pull cash from your credit cards, that's a great program. If you want to see how much you qualify for, you could go to businesscreditbuilders.org. That'll take you to our website right here. You're going to click on this Pre-Qualify Now tab right here on your screen, and you're going to fill out this short form here. Now, to get a pre-qualification, we don't pull your credit. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free to find out how much we project we can acquire for you in business credit cards or other types of funding we offer. We also have loans, lines of credit, etc. But you will be required to submit a copy of your most recent credit report. So we do need to see a full credit report in PDF format for us to do this review. And if you don't have access to it, you can click on this link right here, knowmycredit.org, and get all 3 of your reports with your FICO scores for only $1. They do have a monthly service to access that continually and protect your credit, which is about, I think, $29 or $30 a month, which is a great value, but that's a website you can get your credit report, and you can upload your report here securely. Click submit, and it'll take us about 24 to 48 hours to do a review for you. We provide you funding projections, and if you want to move forward, then the acquisition time takes 14 to 20 days. Also, be sure to check out our business credit building system. I hope you found this information useful. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. With that, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.